My name is Andrew Briscoe, and I'm the construction manager at Hardin Simmons University. For us on projects, it's critical that we consider all levels of stewardship as we are beginning these projects. Our users are the most important folks that we have in this project, and we need to make sure that we provide a space that they can use and use well. Because stewardship is not just financial responsibility, it's taking care of the people who are going to be using the space. It's taking care of the space, and it's taking care of the environment that we build that space in. For us, a critical partner in this process is our architect and our engineer, and Jacob Martin has proven that they can meet that critical need. When we began the Houston Land Trip project, we realized that we had limitations and we had opportunities that were going to be different than anything that we had ever experienced on campus. With our academic experts who are providing the services in this space, we found a great resource and information, but we didn't have a way to translate that information into a space, into a place where we could work, into a place where we could serve those who we are meeting their need. So we brought Jacob Martin along to walk this process with us. They were able to translate the information gained from the academic experts and put that into a space that would meet those needs. We have needs that range from HIPAA, FERPA, and protection of human participants, and that creates a significant security liability that we have. And Jacob Martin and their expertise was able to help us develop a building that would provide 3 distinct spaces that would meet all of those needs. We're able to meet 2 different client bases in this space, and then we're also able to provide an academic learning environment, a community resource, and also a space that our whole campus can use in order to accomplish conferences.
During the development of this project, we noticed that we had a lot of opportunities that we were needing to meet, but we didn't have the square footage to meet those needs. Through the critical problem solving at Jacob Martin, they were able to think of ways in which we could use both the vertical and the horizontal spaces for academic and teaching environments. So you see here in this hallway that we have the different colors and the shapes on the floors, and those are actually means of enhancing the learning environment for the teachers. So we're just in a hallway right now, but this is actually part of the learning environment in this space. You also see on the walls different textures, and those textures are part of the academic learning environment as well. The population that uses this space finds that to be a critical portion of their learning and teaching environment, and so we wanted to include that in certain ways. And because we were limited on square footage, we had to think, how do we take that space and make it go vertical? And Jacob Martin was able to do that very successfully for us.
The projects at Hardin Simmons University are very critical to the function of our university and campus life. When we're looking at these spaces, we're thinking about who the end user is going to be. And we found that Jacob Martin is able to come in and ask the critical questions, challenge the norms, and seek opportunities to best meet those needs in a way that is both conducive to our living environment and our working environment, and also very beneficial to our budget at the end process.